Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Chill. Vlog episode 4, and in this vlog I'm going to be traveling from Pune to Mumbai. I have made a similar video before, so you can go check that out later. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get on to the video. I'm almost done packing. Anyways, we're going for just 2 days, so the only thing left to pack is like my face wash and everything that I will pack after I'm done showering. So right now we're gonna do some skincare. So I'm gonna put a hair mask in that. You guys have seen this before, but anyways, I'll tell you again. I put aloe vera, 2 spoons of aloe vera, 1 spoon of honey, and 2 spoons of coconut oil, or you can put any other like oil. I think you can just Google it. So yeah, let's make this hair mask.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side, I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. I set my mark right on your heart. One moves I got me this far. Now
Guys, I ended up deciding to shower tomorrow morning before leaving. So yeah, and right now I'm just gonna wait till the Didi cooks food and I'm gonna watch TV till then. Guys, good morning. So it's about 8:30, 8:45, and I'm all like ready. I had a bath and everything, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this top from Max, I think. These shorts from somewhere, and this jacket which is from H&M. And we're about to leave. Bye.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine.
misal and sabudana khichdi and thali peet. We parceled the thali peet because we were kind of getting late. And I got a Diet Coke and 2 cold water bottles because it's so hot right now in here. Oh my god, I'm telling you guys, it's so hot. I'm dying, literally dying right now. But anyways, we're gonna hit the road again and hopefully we reach in like some hours to 2 hours. I hope we reach because I'm dying in this heat. So guys, we reached Mumbai and now I'm at my family friend's house and yeah, see you guys later. Bye. So right now, my friend is gonna come and we are gonna plan what to do when she comes. So yeah, like I think we're going out for dinner or something. So let's hope we get out. Yeah. So right now I'm sitting inside the room in the AC because it's so freaking hot. And yeah, I will update you guys when I'm doing something. And then I will end the vlog. So enjoy the rest. Bye. So the whole like ride, like not train, why did I say train? The whole car ride I slept until now. Like it's been just an hour, and we've come to a stop because I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna we're eating missile, and we ordered hot idli and 2 filter coffee. So I'll come. guys, so this is editing Jeel, and so basically I'm so sorry because of the short vlog, and I didn't speak much too because it was very like it was awkward. Like I don't know, I felt kind of awkward there. So whenever I was like alone or like not many people are around me, I started filming, and I literally realized while looking through my footage that I didn't make an outro, so this will be my outro. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.